Deploy pala si Travis, no, for, saglit lang naman siya, pero, ayun, first time niyang malayo kay Ellie. Good morning, guys! Love mo si Kinsley! Ellie! Love Kinsley! Yeah, love! Aww. You love Kinsley. Kaya siguro hindi natutakot sa mga hayop. Kay Kinsley pa lang, inaano na. Oh, girl. Girl. Good girl, Kinsley. Good girl. Ay, grabe umirit ah. Amma.
1, 2, 3.
Ano, naglaway?
She's so
Nakita,
cute.
she saw her, ano. Give her some. Ellie, look.
She ate already.
Love, Kinsley. Love. Dali, love, Kinsley. Love. Dali, love mo si Kinsley. Dali. Oh, hug. Hug, Kinsley. Hug. There you go. Good girl. Oh, love niya talaga si Kinsley. Guys, welcome back to our channel. So, papasok ako ngayon, guys. Sobrang pagod ako and hindi ko alam, feeling ko napagod ako kagabi kasi umaten ako ng event kasi naglakad-lakad, panay tayo doon. So, doon sa work naman kasi yun, work related. So, pumunta kami ng event. Party siya, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi siya yung totally disco kasi may museum, tapos meron doon mga tugtog, DJ, ganyan. Pero ibang klase ng DJ, parang ano, carnival, something siya. Tapos may mga museum doon na interesting din kasi galing mga ibang bansa yung mga ano nila, yung mga art na tinatawag nila. Tapos ano, basta ang ganda kasi parang ano talaga, kung nakaka-amaze kasi paano nila na-preserve yung ganong bagay, ano. So, nilagay nila doon sa museum. Tapos, yun yung parang, doon ako umikot. Ako lang mag-isa kasi, nagkanya-kanya sila, no, pagdating namin doon. And, syempre, panaylakad, tayo, yun. So, kasi parang, naging ano ako nung isang manager, parang naging assistant niya ako doon. Tapos, pag-uwi ko ng kagabi, mga alas 11, di pa ako nakatulog agad. So, mga bandang midnight na ako nakatulog. Tapos, nagising ako ng 5. Ayun, nag-browse na naman. Tapos, hindi na naman nakatulog saglit. Tapos, natulog ako after an hour. Tapos, ngayon, yun, naantok, ano. So, papasok ako today and meron nga pala kaming gustong sabihin sa inyo, guys. So, hindi namin nasabi na madedeploy pala si Travis, no, for saglit lang naman siya, pero ayun, first time niyang malayo kay Ellie ng mga ilang, you know. So, mga ilang araw lang naman. So, 1 week lang naman. Pero, syempre, bago sa amin, no, na wala si Travis, na nandito na si Ellie. Yung na may anak na kami. First time to na magiging LDR kami, gano'n. Pero meron pa rin naman kaming communication, like video call, chat, gano'n. So, sabi niya, miss niya to si Ellie. First time niyang malayo kay Ellie talaga. So, are you gonna miss Ellie? It's gonna be soon.
Yeah. Of course I am. But it should be okay. I'm going to be really busy, so you guys will just have to keep yourselves busy.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll have the new mower in time so you can just zip around the yard with her.
Plano niya talagang bumili ng mower, guys. Parang may tinga ako. Plano niya talagang bumili ng mower for his birthday, right?
But the
So,
mower we're getting isn't really for this property. It's for when we move after I'm retired in like 3 years. The only reason I'm gonna buy it now is because prices keep going up really fast. And the same mower in 3 years is probably gonna be twice as much almost. So
Right.
I want to try to buy everything that we need for the bigger property now, so when we move, I don't have
Yeah,
to.
because he's looking for some properties in Tennessee.
Or
There's
even-
a lot of properties
Even North Carolina.
there. Mm-hmm.
If I get a job in Virginia, we'll move to North Carolina and have some property out
Because
there.
you only have 2.5 years or 3 years.
So technically it's 3, but the last year is kind of a wash. And 24 months prior to retirement, I'm putting my resumes in for jobs. So
But it still depends if what happened if you get promoted again. Are you gonna stay or what?
probably not.
Kasi ayaw niya na talagang magstay.
Probably not.
So he wants to retire na talaga. Yun.
I probably won't stay past 20.
Yeah. But at
But-
least you finish your contract for, 20 years.
But my idea, for me and you, while I have a steady paycheck, we're making money still, buy the stuff we need now for, in the next 3 years. So when we do move, I don't have any extra costs. It's just move into the house and we have everything we need. Just, yeah, she's
playing with Ellie. With
Kinsley.
Kinsley, yeah.
It's so funny because Kinsley's so big. Like, point the camera at her. Like, look how little Ellie is compared to Kinsley. Look how little she is.
Kawawa si Kinsley talaga pag kay Ellie, oh.
Ellie,
Love, Kinsley, love.
love Kinsey. Love. You do pretty good. You be very gentle with our daughter, okay? That's your sister. You be gentle with her.
Sobrang bait ni Kinsley talaga kay Ellie. She knows that, it's her sister, ganon. May time na, kasi dati si Ellie, mahilig siya manambunot kay Kinsley. Kaya umiiwas si Kinsley. Pero ngayon, alam na ni Ellie, kumbaga hinahag-hag niya na lang talaga si Kinsley. Kaya parang okay na rin kay Kinsley, hindi na siya lumalayo. Kasi dati talaga, inaano niya yung buhok ni Kinsley, kumbaga hinihila-hila niya, tapos lalayo si Kinsley. Kasi syempre nasasaktan. So yun. And good thing naman kay kay Kinsley talaga, sobrang bait at gentle ni Kinsley. Although, madami nagsasabi na wag pa rin magtiwala kasi nga aso yun. Aso yan. Pero, nung mga time na bago pa lang, yung parang mga ilang months pa lang si Ellie, binabantayan talaga namin talaga. Kahit hanggang ngayon naman talaga kasi si Ellie kasi baka mamaya sa bunutan niya ulit, gano'n, 'di ba? Syempre nakakaawa naman si Kinsley. Although hindi naman namin iniisip talaga na may gagawing masama. I don't think Kinsley will do something, with Ellie, but we still watch them when they're playing together, gano'n, kapag malapit si Ellie kay Kinsley kasi nga
I just don't think I don't think Kinsley's, even after all of my training with her, she's never ever raised a lip at me ever. Like,
even when she was a puppy, because we really trained her when she was a puppy, and I wasn't working that time. I was the first one who trained her, like crate train or everything. Hala. Nakasakay na, oo. You be gentle. Be gentle with Kinsley, okay? Be gentle.
she knows.
Oh,
Kinsley,
alam
but
niya.
I do think that since we had Kinsley with Ellie, she's much more vocal. Like
Yeah.
Kinsley, I think the reason she barks a lot,
Because she's protecting Ellie.
yeah, she don't want anyone coming near the house, anyone
Mas
coming.
lalo siya naging protective.
She hates it when people walk around, like where she can see them walking.
And then when the mailman, hit the doorbell, and then kapag ka narinig niyo yung grabe yan. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. What are you doing?
I gotta send that to
At tingnan niyo naman si Kinsley, oh. Ginawa mo ng kabayo yan si Kinsley, ha? Aww.
Look at that. That is a priceless picture right there.
Look at her. Ala.
Kinsley, what you doing?
Uh-oh.
Look at that picture.
Look at her. That's cute.
Ouch!
Look at her.
Did you see she has a fat lip?
Yeah, what happened?
She face planted into the ground right here, like right there. That little fat lip. Oh, she broke it open again?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, nakauwi na ako ng bahay, galing trabaho. What is that? Cheese?
Here.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Favorite niya na yung string cheese. Isa sa mga favorite niya. Tingnan, ang laki ng tiyan, no? Ang laki ng tiyan, no? You're still full? You have full belly? Eliana, kain ng kain. Nagpapump nga pala ako, guys, kaya medyo maingay. So, pumili sila Taris ng, anong tawag nito? Orchids. Orchid, ayan. Orchid pala, ayan. Tapos, ayan, kasi daw si Ellie pa naituro dito, kaya binili ni Travis. So, may pa-letter pa, oh. Sweet. Thank you, Ellie. Thank you, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Ala, babay daw.
Bye-bye.
Babay daw.
You ready? You want some more?
More.
Say please. Good girl.
What is that? Cheese.
Cheese.
Nakasya siya kumain ng cheese, so. And then, after nito, guys, punta kami ng Lowe's. Magtitingin kami ng mower. Nasa Lowe's na kami, guys. Lowe's. Tulog si Ellie. Mamimili rin ako ng seeds ngayon. Dahil magtatanim ako. Uy, kaluoy. Ang dami na sila ngayon mga tinda. Tulog si Madam. Garden section. Are we going to the mower first?
I'm gonna have you sit on it, so I can show you.
So what brand are you
Toro.
planning to
Toro.
get? Toro?
Yeah, I just talked to my buddy. He runs a lawn care business. He said Toro. He's got hundreds of hours on his. Just
We don't have a big lawn yet, but you want a mower.
Yep.
Why?
Because they keep going up in price, so we're gonna buy it now. So when we move, we don't have to.
Are you
worry
sure
about
we're moving?
it. Yes. Oh yeah, I'm not saying Virginia. 100%. This one?
Is this a Toro?
No, this is the Toro.
Ito yung zero turn. How much is this? 3.7?
This one, I get it on sale though, so that price. Don't even worry about the price. It's not the price.
Holy cow! So that's 4,000.
If you don't get a sale price, yeah.
Oh wow.
But we get a good deal on it. So
So
sit
ito
down.
yung ano.
Yeah. Okay.
Big though.
Yeah. Well, think about it. Dad's is a lot bigger on the.
Oh yeah.
So-
I think, yeah, he has this one.
He's
too.
got the pins. This is normal. So right here, I'll add the hour button here, which it doesn't have one because it's got the choke, good engine. But here, so let me show you something. Let me show you the biggest difference in this. So now
Yung
sit
sa-
on
yung
this
sa,
one.
Yung sa mother, yeah, sa in-law ko, ganito ata yun. Is this what they have?
So now sit on this one. See which one you like.
Let me see.
This one's, equally good. It's just
I think I like that one.
yeah, it's a little more comfortable. So
Yeah, because it's not flat. See
the
the difference? That
yeah.
one is flat and
Well,
this one is not.
so this one has lights though, but I don't think that's a big deal. I can put those on later.
Yeah.
So but look at, I'm gonna show you the biggest difference.
Mm-hmm.
So look at the tires. Different.
Oh, kakaibang
Look
tire.
at the deck.
Oh, pang off-roading ah.
So the deck is 2 inches
off-road.
bigger. Because when we move,
Pang off-road ang tires.
you have access to the deck,
Okay.
which is really nice.
Gusto niya talaga bumili
I
guys.
don't like
Pang
these.
birthday
I
niya
think
daw.
they're kind of cheap looking. Like I like those ones. I don't like these, but they're fine. It's not that big of a deal.
It's not too bad.
Underneath here, you have a 5-gallon fuel tank.
Wow. How long it will last? Like how many rounds you can do
This?
with
For
our
me and you?
Yeah, with our front yard and backyard.
You mean? Oh, you mean like filling it up?
Yeah, I mean how long this will last?
Like the lawnmower?
Like the use.
Oh, for the next 15 years. We won't ever have to buy.
No, I mean the gallon.
We're
Like for how many days?
Shoot.
With this 5-gallon.
probably 30 cups. It's 5 gallons.
Yeah.
This isn't.
I think that's
This
what
is probably all season.
that's what we have, right? The push mower.
We have a tiny push more, but the goal is not to get this for this house. We're just buying it now
Oh.
because this price keeps going up. So yeah, so
Hindi
anyways,
pa kami lilipat pero nagpaplano na siyang bumili agad kasi
But and also
Magmamahal
look,
daw yung presyo.
and this is a big difference too. Like, see this guard here? This guard comes. Yep.
And the motor is Kawasaki. It's the same thing, Kawasaki.
same engine, yeah.
But it doesn't have the, what do you call that?
Same
The
engine.
support in the back for the engine.
The deck is a little easier to pull up, and this is a step deck, so you can step on the deck. They don't want you to step on this deck, but see how this sits so low,
Yeah.
and there's no hitch. Look, this one comes with a hitch, and they built this over around the mower, so this protects the engine, like in case you back up into a tree, bushes, whatever. Not at our house now, but this is gonna be a lifesaver once we move into 2 to 3 acres. It's gonna be a lifesaver, and you don't. And right here, that's what I was gonna look at right there. Those, see, did they cap those? Oh, I get a pretty good discount.
Tignan nyo, ang laki. Wala kaming paglalagyan yan.
Discount, even
Sabi niya, lagay daw namin sa
you're
garage.
already gonna get the percentage off.
Ewan ko ba kay
You're gonna do it
Travis?
twice.
Support na lang.
Doing your military plus, like if you do
4,000 naman.
we could definitely add
Sabi
on
ko,
that.
bigyan ko siya kahit papano. Ayaw niya naman.
No,
Kasi
the
birthday niya
12
ngayong
or
30,
18.
guys.
Yeah, which makes it actually cheaper for you to actually pay.
Right, yeah, so how long? I probably just did cash.
Maganda kasi yung zero turn din.
Really just fine. I think we're gonna.
Pero hindi pa kami lilipat, guys. Pero eventually, kapag
These prices.
parang after ng 2 years or 3 years, 2.5 years, ba? Tama ba? Pag mag-retire si Travis, aalis kami ng Virginia. Kasi naghanap na siya ng ibang mga
30?
pwede naming
That was a kid. Damn, dude.
tirahan, ibang state.
But right now I gotta fix it up.
Nagtitingin siya sa Tennessee, pero we'll see.
We want to move
We'll let you know.
into like North Carolina, like between 2 and 5 acres. This is West Wood.
Madami pa silang ibang mga mower. Pero yung dati namin talaga push mower, maayos pa naman siya, gumagana naman siya. Pero gusto niya lang daw talagang bumili nito para sa birthday niya. And para daw, pag lumipat kami, hindi na kami bibili. Kasi tumataas daw yung price.
Did you want to go outside?
Sorry, no. I wanna buy a... Ay, kaluoy. Look at her. Parang Angelina Jolie ang... Babe, look at her lips. She have the curve, ano?
I think I'm gonna get that one.
When?
I should probably just buy it.
Online?
I can, or he said I can order it right through the store too.
Gusto niya talaga to.
And
Hindi
he said you
talaga
get
to
a new
titigil.
one straight out of the box.
Yeah, go ahead, babe. Because I know you're not gonna stop until you buy it.
You don't care. It's under 4, so.
Under 4, it's 4,000.
No, it's under 4 because of my discount. That's okay. It's my gift to the family. I'll pay for it.
No.
It's either that or a lift kit, but we're gonna get more use out of this.
Yeah. Sana all.
Maybe I should get it now then.
Talaga, hindi talaga siya. Hindi makakatulog talaga. Ganyan yan si Travis pag may gusto siyang ano.
No, maybe I should wait till
Bilhin.
May 1st.
Yeah, just wait. They may go on sale.
No, I don't want it to go on
No, no,
sale.
no.
Then I don't get my discount. My discount's more than their sales. My discount knocks that down $500.
I need seeds, babe.
You call Dad.
Hanap tayo ng seed. So, andito yung mga seeds, guys. Para puro mga flower man to. Gusto ko yung ano, talong. Tsaka, ayan, tomato. Talong. Ayan, may talong dito. Meron ba? Hindi, pakwan man to. Kailangan ko ng tomato. Large man yun. Gusto ko yung maliit lang. Pwede na rin large siguro. Large red. Sige, ito na lang. Magkano kaya to? $8? Tama ba? $8? Hindi, wildflower pollinator man yan. Magkano kaya ito? Siguro mga nasa ano lang naman. Less than naman siguro $8, no? Ito, meron pa sila. We'll see. Ayan, ang talong. So, kasi ng talong, eggplant, early long purple. Tapos merong long purple early. Ay, pinaliktad lang yun. Gusto ko sana ito maliit oh. Kaso nagganyan ako nung nakaraan. Hindi man siya successful. Ilang lang. Ito na lang. Tapos, ano pa ba? Kasi ito nagganto ako lettuce. Madali siyang masira eh. Kailangan siyang may parang protection. Kasi naano ng mga insekto. Oh, cucumber. I-try ko kaya ang cucumber. Siguro ito muna. Tapos bili na lang ako next. Ala, may sili. Ay, gusto ko yan, sili. Pepper hot, cayenne. Gusto ko yan, sili. Ito. Ay, $2 pala. Yan pala. O, ang presyo. Bulag manta. Ayan ang presyo na sa taas. Tapos, bili tayo ng pepper. Pepper sweet. Ito, sweet. Ano pa ba? Let's see. Okay na yan? Okay na muna siguro to. So, ayun lang. Tulog pa rin si Ellie, oh. Are we good? Huh?
Yeah.
Do you wanna go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go outside. Babe, I wanna put net. Can we find some net? Kasi may mga bunny sa likod namin, guys. Nung nakaraan, inano ng mga bunny. Pinapak ng mga bunny yung ano ko.
We could do like a little thing that like goes.
Yeah,
depends
yeah.
how big of the area you actually.
Oh, they have more here. Organic seeds. Oh, that one is organic. Oh, the same one. Organic
Oh.
seed. Wala.
That same mower, I went to the dealer
Aha.
and he couldn't match that price that I'm getting here
Di talaga yung makatulog, guys.
at all.
I know you. You can't sleep until you buy it. Okay, guys. Bilhin na ta. Ito na lang yung i-check out ko. Ba't maghahanap kami nung parang kulambo?
Oh, the nuts are over there.
Okay. Let's see. Dami ng mga bulaklak, oh. Nakakatuwa.
What are you gonna plant that in?
Huh?
What are you planting?
We have a pot. Remember, we have...
Why don't you just keep it in the house until it germinates?
Yeah, I can do that too. And then we can buy potting soil.
I was gonna say you probably need a little bit of potting soil.
Yeah, and I have a lot of pots in the house.
Oh wow, she is knocked out there.
Yeah, because she didn't sleep. So I have 4 here, guys. Sana bumunga siya ng
Okay.
Where's the net?
Well, here you go.
That's not the net. I want something like my fishnet. But not my fishnet. We're not using my fishnet. Kagamitin yung kulambo ko naman.
Right there.
This one, right? Right here, right?
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, deer net. Oh, they call it deer net. $79. That's crazy.
Why
For
don't you
that-
just use Kinsley's metal gate?
Oh, right. Smart.
Yeah, then we don't have to spend any money.
Yes.
'Cause we're lawnmower broke.
Yeah, we're poor na after you buy that.
There's some there too.
Like this small.
Smaller ones.
That's not bad. 42.
You probably don't even need one that big. Those are.
This one, I probably just need this one. But this is not.
even,
This is
that's-
wire.
That's 25 feet.
Yeah. I need small.
I think Kinsley's thing will work.
Yeah, we'll
If you just
we'll
wrap it.
yeah, but and we'll use it later because I'm gonna put. Hi, good morning. Ay, good afternoon.
Do you have a nap?
You had a long nap. Aww.
Oh, so here's even small, like
Ellie.
stuff like this too.
Oh,
Where are we? Where are we? Laki na ni Ellie, guys. Grabe. Okay, guys. Mag-check out muna kami. And we'll see you later. Hi, guys. So, nakauwi. Pauwi na kami. Malapit na sa bahay. So, yun lang yung vlog natin ngayon. Bumili lang pala ako ng 4 na pirasong iba-ibang itatanim ko pala sa Monday. Kasi wala rin akong pasok na Monday. So, yun. And si Travis mag-order siya ng mower. When are you gonna order the mower? Baka online na lang daw siya mag-order.
Probably today.
We'll let you know today. We'll let you know, guys, kung kailan namin matanggap. So, yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!